Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete Google Business Profile. Open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type My Business and press Enter. When your business profile appears, you will see several management options. Click on Edit Profile. This section allows you to control important details about your listing. Inside Business Information, select the Hours tab. Scroll until you find the option that says Permanently Closed. Turn on this option to mark the business as closed. After selecting Permanently Closed, click Save so the change is applied to your profile. This tells customers that the business is no longer operating. Next, you will access the profile settings to remove the profile content. Make sure your business listing is still visible on either Google Search or Google Maps. On the Profile Management panel, look for the More icon. This icon appears as 3 vertical dots. Click the 3 dots and select Business Profile Settings. A settings panel will open with several options for managing the profile. From this menu, choose Remove Business Profile. You will then see another option called Remove Profile Content and Managers. Click on this option to begin removing the business profile from your account. Google will ask you to confirm this action. Select Continue, then click Remove. After the process completes, click Done to finish. Your business profile has now been removed from your account. Thanks for watching.